at the start of Dusi 2020. Boats fully loaded, fully stocked, 15 liters of water, a few pans of bully beef. We are frothing out. We're super excited. And yeah, we're going to show you what's about to happen.
Got a 60k paddle ahead of us today. So yeah, the front runners, watch out, they're coming for you. It's going to be fast. No portages.
Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Setting off now by themselves are the two guys in the touring class boats. These guys are doing the whole race. They're entered. They're handling the event. And they're sticking to the rules without taking any of the optional portages.
Great news from John Oliver. He's given us permission to shoot Mamba Gorge tomorrow. So we are frothing out now. Yeah, those butterflies have turned into ostriches in the stomach. And yeah, we're ready for some big water tomorrow. Dusi 2020 was the most insane experience for both Chris and I. Having raced the Dusi competitively 4 times previously, it was so different doing the event unsupported and unassisted. This year's Dusi was my favourite Dusi by far, as Chris and I chose to paddle around all the portage sections on the race. And on these sections of river, we truly felt the Dusi spirit. To a large part, these stretches of river are uninhabited. The valley is thick, the bush is dense, and the rapids are technically demanding. We truly felt what Ian Player and the pioneers of this race must have gone through 69 years ago. Unfortunately, we also got to see the river at its dirtiest. Just below the takeout for Campbell's farm, a portage that all the competitors do, the river is completely dead. There is no sign of life, no birds, no bugs, no nothing. Just above the Burma Road portage, disaster struck. A K2 just in front of me wrapped their boat sideways around a rock, the power of the water trapping the back paddler in the boat. This was a very serious situation, and luckily I was just behind the crew and was able to assist the back paddler in getting free by untangling his splash cover. Phenomenal 3 days. Yeah, I think it gave Chris and I both a huge respect for the guys that did it back in the day, paddling around all those epic sections.
Incredible sections where there aren't portages. And also, like Gav said, just the respect for the guys that used to do it solo back in the day. All the gear and those little boats. So yeah, unreal.
Dusi 2020 was officially the 69th Dusi. Gavin Shooter and Christopher Matthews did an unsupported Dusi 2020 canoe marathon. For Gavin and Chris, this historic adventure formed part of their preparation for a source-to-sea trip on the Orange River in December of this year.